Okay, so I've been scalp trading for almost from day one. I mean, there was times when I couldn't scalp trade and I had to intraday trade, but the majority of the time I've been scalp trading, for 5.5 years. So there's a big change in the market, and there's a big change in the Sambora trading community. So we no longer scalp trade the open. So why? Well, you have to evolve with the market, okay? If you stay stagnant, if you don't continue to evolve, if you don't continue to grow, you will literally fall behind. So we're pretty much at a stage at the market now at the moment where it's becoming more and more difficult to scalp trade the FTSE 100 on the European Open and also the Dow Jones on the US Open. So I suppose over the last kind of 2 to 3 months, it's becoming more and more common for us not to trade the open, i.e. on the live commentary that I provide for my students on the FTSE 100, on the European Open and also on the Dow Jones, on the US Open. The amount of times that, the setup just wasn't there and I was saying, okay guys, I'm not going to trade this, and it became more and more common to the point where, we were maybe scalp trading once a week. So there's a big change in the Sambora trading community. And the change is that we no longer scalp trade, okay? Now, I'm not saying that we're not going to go back to scalp trading. It's always there. Those skills are there. All that content is there in the course for us to continue to scalp trade when the market conditions change and are more suitable for us to scalp trade. So I'm not saying that we're never going to scalp trade again, but you have to evolve, guys. You cannot just stay stagnant. You have to continuously evolve because the market is changing all the time. The market is changing all the time, and you have to tweak your approach to suit the current conditions. Okay, so what do we do instead? Well, for the last number of years, we've been scalp trading and intraday trading. Okay, so we've done away with scalp trading for the moment. As I said, we may come back to it. As a matter of fact, I'm sure we will come back to it. It's only a matter of time. So now, guys, we're just intraday trading. I prefer when we can scalp trade and intraday trade because then we've got the two approaches, right? You can scalp trade, you can intraday trade. But, the current environment does not allow this. So we are just intraday trading in the Sambora trading community at the moment. I think there's maybe 1 or 2 guys that are scalp trading, but I think the majority of traders have realised with my guidance that at the moment it's just not suitable to scalp trade. So that's where we are with the Sambora trading community. We're just intraday trading at the moment. Some people are swing trading. What it means is we are carrying less risk because our position sizes are much smaller, but it means that we have to hold for longer to make that money because we're trading with smaller position sizes. We're having to get more points. So that is where we are with the Sambora trading community, guys, but I think it's important to evolve. I'm sure you will agree. If you've seen any kind of success in any element of business, you will see that you have to progress. If you just refuse to change with the current environment, you're just going to lose. It's as simple as that. I'm not happy about it. I know a lot of my students are not happy about it, but that's where we are, You have to evolve. You have to. This is going to come full circle, right? It will come full circle, I guarantee you. But the fact remains, we're still making money. The Sambora trading community is very, very successful. Have something like 15 traders now at this stage, 14 or 15 traders that have quit the job since joining the Sambora trading community and are now full-time traders. As a matter of fact, I've done an interview in my last video with Emma. Emma's been with the Sambora trading community for not quite the start, but pretty much, maybe 3 or 4 months into me actually launching the Sambora trading community. So almost from the start, she's been with us. And she's a wonderful example of what you can achieve if you truly put the work in. So that is where we are. I'm sure, guys, we will go back to scalp trading. It's only a matter of time. It's a matter of the market going back to the way it was because it swings and roundabouts, right? All of this stuff comes full circle. So it's still exciting times because we're still making money. it's actually a nice change, if I'm being honest. You know, I've been scalp trading kind of almost from day one. I mean, as I said, there's times I couldn't scalp trade if I was working, but the majority of the time, yeah, scalp trading. So it does feel a little bit strange to not be scalp trading, but it is what it is. You know, the most important thing is here that we are consistently profitable traders. So if that means we have to tweak our approach to enable us to do that, well then that's the most important thing. Okay, it's the most important thing. We will definitely get back to scalp trading, and the intraday trading is extremely profitable as well. It does carry less risk, but it means you have to look for more points. But it's still another way of making money. Same with the swing trading. So that is an update on the Sambora Trading Community. It actually feels a little bit odd saying that we're not scalp trading, but you know, we'll get back to it. But the important thing, guys, is, you know, I can't emphasize this enough, is to move with the times, to move with the current environment, to tweak your approach. You know, it's not always something that you like to do, but you better believe that it's absolutely necessary. It is absolutely necessary if you want to be a consistent, profitable trader, that you have to tweak your approach to suit the current market conditions. Okay, so if you want to join the Sambora Trading Community, guys, you can email me, eduardosambora@yahoo.com. My private Telegram group, which is unbelievably successful. We're seeing absolutely incredible returns on the private Telegram group. As a matter of fact, last week I took just over 1,000 points myself on the Dow, which is absolutely incredible. If you want to join my private Telegram group, you can DM me on my Instagram, sambora.00. So have a fantastic week of trading. Remember, guys, if you do not evolve, if you do not grow, if you stay stagnant, you will simply fall back. Hope you guys have a fantastic week, and we'll see you again very, very soon for another video.